guys, it's Melissa. I think I just unlocked the hack of all laser hacks. If you have a CO2 laser, whether that's an xTool P2 or something else, you have got to get sample pieces of acrylic. Look at this. This is the lead. This is a $2. Each of these is $2. Each of these samples, okay? Most people just get it so they can see the finish, so they can show their customers. This piece of 2x2 mirror acrylic cost $2, and you can turn that into $160. Here's the thing. This mirror acrylic, these make beautiful stud earrings. So look how small this is. You can fit, as you can see, 20, count them, 10 pairs of earrings. And these earrings are selling on Etsy for $15 to $20 each set. So you can turn $2 into at least $150 to $200. Unreal. And the mirror acrylic sells even higher than other types of acrylic, like cast. People love this acrylic. It's amazing. So I'm going to show you how I did this. I went to So Fontsy and I got a design. Easy peasy. Then I brought it into xTool, Creative Space, where I already had my image of my bed pulled up with my piece of acrylic. Now this piece was already just flat. This is 1/8 inch, okay? Obviously it wasn't cut. And then I positioned them. So I sized you can do this two ways. You can say I need to get 10 out of this, and you can size based on that, or you can put them on there and then size, but just know that you might not be able to get 10. And I'm going to give you the exact dimensions of these in the description below, but I literally used every possible. Some of these are so close together. I'll give you a close-up. I can't believe it. So what I'm going to do now is I have the stud backs. Again, you can buy the jewelry set on Amazon or other places, Michael's probably, Joann's. Glue them to the back, put them on cute little cards, and you are done. You can put them in boxes. These will make amazing teacher gifts. You can market them for teacher gifts. You can market them for hostess gifts. You can give them to your mom, your sister, your mother-in-law, your friends, your neighbors, whoever. But these are amazing. Who doesn't love some cute little stud earrings in gold mirror acrylic? Nothing like turning $2 into $150 or $200. The margins on this are crazy. Okay, what else have I done with these 2x2s? I'm actually going to do a whole nother video on a couple of my favorite things to do with sample packs. So head on over there now for some more high margin acrylic crafts that you can make out of samples, or if you have scrap pieces, also perfect ways to use those. All of the links for everything that we talked about in the description below. And if you are looking for personalized same-day support for your laser, for xTool, Creative Space, for Silhouette Studio, or anything you see on this channel, I offer all of that through Silhouette U.